Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all can see my location. I'm at my buddy's door. He's towing in storage. Well, actually, he on the shop part of it. So I'm out here just doing some troubleshooting. Actually, waiting on this car to reach operating temperature so I can go drive it. All right. I want y'all to watch what I'm doing to this vehicle. Right now, I'm just waiting on it to get up to operating temperature to go drive it. But watch this video right here. The repairs. I'll talk about what I had to do on this one. But so in the meantime, while that's running, man, what do you got going on here? This is a 300. Yeah, it's 300C, guys. And from the looks of it, this was a V8 Hemi. I want to say yes. I see 4 injector harness connectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's 4 cylinders on each side, which makes this a V8. I don't know what they're doing. You got the engine out. It's no big deal taking the engine out. I mean, we do this at Brothers Motors all day long. We slam engines. A lot of shops doing that, guys. If you're trying to get your engine repaired, good luck with that, man. No shop is taking risk on doing repairs anymore. This is open out here, open in the rain, so I'm sure, I'm almost certain, yeah, they're going, I mean, water's not going to hurt it, so even if it rain or snow, it's not going to hurt anything. But I'm sure they're just going to roll the engine back there on a horse. And he do body work, a lot of body work. And you can tell, guys, look at this beat up. Wow, that's pretty bad. See, in the normal world, that's what, ain't that total? Who out there body? Who out there do body? Wow, look at this 300, guys. See, I'm almost, yeah, some of these cars like past the amount for repairs, and when the insurance company said total, a lot of customers want to keep their car and they'll get it fixed. It's no more than a fender, a hood, a couple of bends here and there, and you good to go. But you got a Subaru over here. Guys, I'm in a bubble now. I don't know what this stuff is. I see that black Camaro right there. Old school over there. I don't know what this baby is. Chevrolet something right there. There's some goodies over here. You got a whole car lot. From time to time, I will come over here and troubleshoot for him. All right. Now, I did see a PT Cruiser out here. Where is it? I hope this guy don't block me in. All I'm trying to do is let the engine reach operating temperature so I can go drive it. Look at this Ram right here, guys. 25, 3500, 35. It's a big turbo diesel. All right, see, that's total, man. No, these guys, they don't. They'll untotal it. Look at this. Yeah, well, I'm about to come out in about 10 minutes. All right, you good? What's wrong with this? I don't know. He wanted me. This one he called me, but he wanted me to go drive it. I don't know, man. These guys hanging on to these PTs for dear life. They do not want to give up a baby. So I'll deal with this later. It's blocked in. But I'm here. See, got a charge over here. Yeah, I know I'm the king of this stuff. Well, it's Dodge, anything Dodge, Ram related, Chrysler. He run into problem. A lot of times he can handle. He got an Altair, one of those scan tools. My buddy always bragging about. Dartman 69 Terry 69 Dartman. He love his Altair. Winnebago. See, yeah, I don't suppose this will ever run again. So they just have a nice storage for all this stuff. This is a house on wheels, guys. What do you buy parts for these anymore? Whew. Yeah, these was popular back in the day. All right, what's this van? What kind of van? Who's mimicking? Oh, Odyssey. Yeah, so I think my Cherokee is pretty much one. I'm gonna ask him what's wrong with this charger. Just let me know, buddy. I'll get it up and run. Lexus, baby. Hey, y'all know some of these shops, they don't discriminate. A lot of them don't. Brothers Motors, we had to come out of that. Little fender bender. We had to come out of that. So we semi do everything now as far as like major stuff like swaps and things like that. Yeah, we. But as far as you know, as far as specific diagnosis, ooh, I didn't see that. Y'all see that wheel? The sun is messing up y'all view, but oh my goodness. Yeah, you got to put this on a frame. This is an Infinity. We got to put this on a frame machine, guys. This may be to the point. Whew, I don't know what constitute total anymore. Nobody can give me a definitive answer. Like, we'll look at it and we'll tell you if it's total. Like, if you're dealing with the frame or the top, that's like an automatic total, but no, not to some of these people. What is going on over here? This guy got cars everywhere. He got his own tow truck service, so I'm sure he only pulled that out when the big boys called, said they need a tow. But Pathfinder over there, another Ram 1500 over there. So guys, this should be already, now I'm blocked in, messing around with y'all. Like I said, I don't want to talk too much about this because I did a video on this and I want y'all to go watch it. All right, I am a content creator. That means I am interested in views. Okay, so y'all go watch this video. Yeah, we do it like that. But it has reached operating temperature. So now I'm about to go and drive it and verify what it is that I was seeking out. Okay? Yeah, we do it like that without talking too much. It's the oil dipstick, guys. There is no trans dipstick because I can only assume this is a ZF 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission. 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission. There's no dipstick, guys. There's no dipstick or dipstick tube. Okay, in fact, the 8-speed, you just got a plug. There's a plug that you, it's only one entry point. I mean, you're gonna have coolers going to it, but that plug that's on the side of the transmission, that's where you put fluid in. And in some cases, there's a drain plug on the pan. Not all cases, but in some cases. So that's the transmission. We're not having hardly any problems. I've replaced a few, guys, because this is an all-electric transmission. When you do one, if you're gonna do one from a used standpoint, make sure it come out of the same vehicle, guys. Oh, watch this video right here where I did all that work, put a transmission. I got a transmission to replace. They sent me one that come out of a Durango. There's a different shifter on a Durango than his. The computer would not recognize it. The car would not start. I had to take that trans all back out. All right, guys, that's all I have. In fact, watch that video. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.